Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB PAST question English 2018 question number 20. In questions 14 to 23, choose the option nearest the meaning to the underlined. One call was on the verge of signing a 2-year contract with the club. The underlined word is verge. A. Brink. B. Summit. C. Height. D. Shore. So what is the synonym of verge? On the verge. When you say that something is on the verge of, it means that that thing is almost happening or is on the brink of happening. So the word verge and brink, they are synonymous. Summit simply means the top of something. So let's look at these words one by one. Verge means that you're on the edge, almost doing something, very near to the moment when something happens. So that's the meaning of verge. Very near to the moment. So it's very near to the moment of signing to the contract. That's the meaning of verge. Brink is also the same thing. You're almost at something, or something in a very exciting situation, like brink, almost at. That is brink. Now summit means the highest point of something. So summit simply means highest point of something. That is summit. If you say that this is a mountain, that you want to get to the summit of the mountain, this is the summit, the highest point of the mountain. Height is the quantity of being tall or being high, the quality of being high. Quality of being high. That is quality of being tall. Now shore is the land along the edge of a sea. Land along the edge of a sea. That is what shore is. You understand? So you can see that all these along the edge, height, all of them have they have some similarities, but the one that is most close to this is one called as N here. So the one that is very close is verge, very near to the moment, almost at the moment. So option A is the answer, because brink is very close to verge as against the other options. So we're picking A. Thank you.